Wake up, sunshine to bright the sky. Follow me on this journey.